In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Brevo to send emails. First, head to the Brevo app and sign into your dashboard. From the main menu, open the marketing area. This is where campaign tools live. Choose Create Campaign, and when the options appear, pick Email as your campaign type. Give your campaign a clear name so you can find it later, especially if you run multiple sends. Next, choose tags to organize and track your work. Tags make reporting and filtering much easier. When you're ready, confirm by selecting Create Campaign. Now set up who will receive your message. Click Add Recipients. For this walkthrough, select individual contacts, then choose Add Contact to include the people you want to reach. Make sure the contacts you add have opted in to receive emails. With recipients in place, move on to your subject details. Click Add Subject, type a concise, compelling subject line, and add preview text that expands on the subject without repeating it. These two elements drive opens, so keep them relevant and readable. Click Save to lock in those details. It's time to design the email. Click Start Designing. In the template gallery, you can browse several categories. Pre-built templates offer polished layouts for common use cases. Basic templates give you simple frameworks to customize from scratch, and ready-to-use designs are styled and structured to go live quickly. When you find a good starting point, click Use Template. Make your edits in the editor. Update headings and body copy, replace images, adjust colors to match your brand, and check link destinations. Keep paragraphs short and use clear calls to action so readers know what to do next. When your design looks right, click Save and Quit to return to the campaign overview. Before sending, review additional settings. This is where you can confirm sender details and tracking preferences. When everything looks good, continue to scheduling. Click Schedule and choose whether to schedule for later by selecting a date and time or send immediately. If you want to go out right away, click Send Now for now, then confirm by clicking Send Now. That's it. You've created a Brevo email campaign from start to finish. Naming and tagging, adding recipients, writing a strong subject and preview, designing with a template, reviewing settings, and scheduling or sending. Pause the video as needed and repeat these steps anytime you launch a new campaign.